Welcome to Bikes in Detail, where we get down to the nitty-gritty of all things motorcycle. Today, we're talking about a topic that's no laughing matter: tire maintenance. But don't worry, we'll still add some humor into the mix because, let's face it, we could all use a little laugh. First things first, let's focus on the aesthetics. Clean tires are happy tires, and a clean motorcycle is a happy motorcycle. So grab a damp cloth or sponge and give those tires a good scrub. Not only will your bike look like it just rolled off the showroom floor, but you'll also be preventing dirt and debris from getting stuck in the tread and causing damage. Now, let's get serious and check those tires. First, check the expiration date stamped on the side of the tire. If it's older than your grandma, it's time for a change. Then, inspect the tread for any signs of wear and tear. Use a tire tread depth tool or a UK coin to check the depth and make sure it's not too worn down. We don't want you to be slipping and sliding all over the road like a fish on a slippery rock. Next, inspect the tire for any cuts, cracks, or other signs of damage. And don't forget to check for any objects that have penetrated the tire, such as nails or screws. These can cause a blowout faster than you can say pop. And, if you notice an uneven wear pattern, it could be a sign of a problem with your suspension or alignment, so take your bike to a mechanic to get it checked out. So, in conclusion, tire maintenance is a critical part of keeping your motorcycle in top condition. Clean those tires, check the expiration date, inspect the tread for wear and damage, and make sure to check the tread depth. Check for any objects that have penetrated the tire, such as nails or screws, and replace the tire if necessary. And don't forget to check for uneven wear patterns. With just a few minutes of your time, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your tires are ready to hit the road. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this information helpful. And if you didn't, well, subscribe anyway. Together, we can help spread the word about the importance of tire maintenance and keep riders everywhere safe and smiling. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy and safe riding.